Hi guys, napad nyo yung game 2 between De La Salle and NU. NU won in 4 sets, so they're now the champions. I think this will be a memorable championship for them since ito yung first championship nila with Coach Sherwin, and I think this will be the last Shaky Super League ng batch ni Bella Belen. MVP of the game was Bella Belen with 15 points, and other top scorers were Alaya Solomon with 19 and Vance Alinsug with 10. Sa De La Salle part naman, no one scored double digits. Ang highest nila was 9 and that came from Angel Canino. For De La Salle naman, I think nothing to be ashamed of. At least alam nila kung ano pa yung kailangan lang work come UAAP. Itong game na to, grabe yung swag ng mga players. As in, memorable lang sa akin is yung nag-swag si Jean Soreño. Oh my God. Para siyang tita na nakapamewang against sa mga pamangkin niya. Mga ganun peg. Individual awardees are MVP, Micaela Belen for the open spikers, Poyos and Belen. For opposite, Alyssa Solomon. For middle, Provido and Eliarina. Libero, Carjo, and setter, Lamina. Actually, I was rooting for Lamina to be the MVP. I'm so impressed by her ngayong season. At kayo guys, ano masabi niyo sa bagong championship ng NU Women's Volleyball Team? Ayun lang po guys. Bye!